This is beefy, beany, cheesy, and lentily. Lentily? Beef time. In a pan on medium to high heat, add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil and add 300 grams of lean ground beef. For the seasonings, you can adjust to your taste, but half to 1 teaspoon, I would say, is good. So let's add some chili powder, smoked paprika, cayenne pepper, ground cumin, dried oregano, onion powder, garlic powder, and season with salt and freshly cracked pepper. Then mix everything up and break up the beef with your spoon as it cooks. Once cooked and all broken up, remove to a bowl and set aside. Up next are the lentils. I have about 1 cup or 200 grams of lentils. Sift through the lentils for any impurities and then rinse and drain thoroughly. Add the lentils to a pot and fill with water about 2 to 3 inches above the lentils and bring to a boil. Once you get to a boil, reduce to a simmer and cook the lentils for about 25 to 30 minutes until they're soft. You want the lentils to easily fall apart when mashed, but you don't want them to be too mushy. And of course, you can definitely use canned lentils, no problem there, and it'll definitely save some time. Drain the lentils and add to the bowl with the ground beef. Now it's time to make refried beans. In a pot on low to medium heat, add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil and then add half of a medium-sized white onion, finely chopped. And saute until the onions are soft. And then we're gonna add 2 cloves of finely chopped garlic and saute until those are soft. You can cook pinto beans from dried beforehand, or you can use 1 19-ounce can instead, like I am. I drained and rinsed the pinto beans beforehand, and now I'm just gonna add to the pot. Then add 1 cup of vegetable stock. You can use water as well. And just like the beef seasonings, adjust for your tastes. About half to 1 teaspoon will work. So, chili powder, cayenne pepper, dried oregano, garlic powder, onion powder, dried cumin, and smoked paprika. Give a mix and simmer the beans on medium heat until the beans are nice and soft and the stock has reduced a little bit. Then you can mash with a potato masher, or the better option, but it is an extra step worth taking, is place in a food processor and pulse until you get a nice, smooth, but still textured consistency. Then place in a bowl and season with salt, freshly cracked pepper, and the juice of half a lime. Add 2 tablespoons of cold butter and mix it all up. And adjust any seasonings, and you're done. Now, of course, you can use canned refried beans as well for a quick option. And if you find you want the refried beans to be a bit thicker, you can just add back to the pot and cook it down a little bit. I don't mind my refried beans just being a little bit looser, as the beef and the lentils are gonna soak it all up. Add the refried beans to the bowl with the beef and lentils and mix it all up. Now, I'm not gonna sit here and tell you this mixture looks amazing and appetizing. And yeah, it looks like gruel, crusty brand imitation gruel.
You're serving us gruel?
Not quite. This is crusty brand imitation gruel.
But I will say this mixture is delicious, and that's all that matters. For the cheese, I have 3 types: low moisture mozzarella, old cheddar, and Havarti. Grate as much as you like, because more cheese in anything is always a good choice. Play around with the ratios as well, and then just place in a bowl and mix it all up. And now we can build our burritos. Place a warm flour tortilla down on your work surface, add some of the mixture, aka gruel, in the middle, leaving room on either side. Then add as much cheese, and then add some hot sauce, green chilies, pickled jalapenos, bomba sauce, even salsa, whatever you like. And then we're just gonna fold the tortilla over the mixture while pulling back. Then make 2 folds on either side of the larger fold and tuck and roll nice and tight. I was able to get 7 burritos out of this, but it will all depend on how big your flour tortillas are and how much mixture you add to them. Now, you can eat as is, but toasting will make it even better. Now, you can toast in butter, which I suggest, or even just a dry pan. Flip the burrito as it toasts and then remove from the pan and bring that burrito to the table. It's a heavy burrito. It's loaded with beef, beans, and lentils, tons of protein. Definitely gonna fill you up. Add as much cheese as you like, you know I am. So I hope you give this a go. And as always, the full recipe is in the description below. Please like and comment. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And until next time, ciao.